Welcome back, my dear students. Students, in today's video, we will continue the topic of voice. In our previous video, we came to know about active and passive voice. We also came to know about the rules for the change of voice. And we have also done the changes in pronouns in our previous video. So, students, now I am continuing with my fourth point, that is very important, change in tenses from active voice to passive voice. Students, when we change active voice into passive, then there are certain rules which we have to keep in our mind related to tenses. Like if we are taking simple present tense, if our active voice is in simple present, like you can see here, he kills a snake. This is in simple present tense. When you will change this active voice into passive, then the tense will remain same. Only past participle form is used in the passive voice, means V3 is used here in passive voice, and the tense is same. A snake is killed by him. As we have discussed that when we change active to passive, we change the subject into object and object become the subject. If the tense is simple past, like he killed a snake, then we will follow the same rule that we will change the subject he killed a snake. If we change this active voice into passive, then how we will change it? A snake was killed by him. As you know that we add here by preposition here in passive voice, and we use here past participle form, and the tense will remain same. A snake was killed by him. Simple future, she will write a letter. A letter will be written by her. She will change into her. In present progressive, or you can say present continuous tense, she is singing a song. Here, students, you can see that the tense is in present continuous. So we will change it into passive. A song is being sung by her. When the tense is in continuous, we use here being. Being word is added here. You have to keep in mind this thing, that when the tense is in ing form, means in continuous tense, then being word will be added here. Yes, if we talk about past progressive, she was singing a song. A song was being sung by her. Same here, ing form is there, that's why we add here being. Present perfect, they have watered the plants. The plants have been watered by them. Past perfect, we had helped him. Here him will change into he. He had been helped by us. We will change into us. Future perfect, I will have beaten him. He will have been beaten by me. So according to tenses, you have to change active to passive, and here are some examples also. Tense wise examples are given here, so I am discussing these also. Change of voice in the simple present. Yes, if simple present के बारे में यहाँ पे active voice में दिया गया है. How we change the active voice into passive when the tense is in simple present. He reads a novel. A novel is read by him. He does not obey his teachers. His teachers, now here teachers are plural, that's why we used here are. The teachers are not obeyed by him. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स आप देख सकते हैं कि टेंस जो है चेंज नहीं होगा। अगर एक्टिव वॉइस सिंपल प्रेजेंट में है तो हमारा पैसिव भी प्रेजेंट में ही रहेगा, ठीक है। ऐसा नहीं है कि हम उसको पास्ट में या फ्यूचर में चेंज कर देंगे। अगर एक्टिव वॉइस प्रेजेंट में है तो पैसिव वॉइस भी प्रेजेंट में ही रहेगा। सिर्फ यहाँ पे जो रूल है वो क्या है कि V3 यूज होगी, वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज होगी। He does not obey his teachers are not obeyed by him. Why do you waste time? Here students, this is interrogative sentence in simple present. Why is time wasted by you? Who teaches you physics? Who will change into by whom? By whom are you taught physics? Which book do you read these days? Which book is read by you these days? Next is past simple tense. He did not help me. I was not helped by him. I told her a story. A story was told to her by me. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं बेटा, ये पास्ट टेंस है, एक्टिव वॉइस, तो जो पैसिव चेंज हो रहा है वो भी पास्ट टेंस में ही है। What did she buy? What was bought by her? Whom did you meet? Who was met by you? Here whom word is given, so you will change it into who. Did you read this novel? Was this novel read by you? Here are some examples of simple future. I shall help you. He will be helped by me. Will you sell this house? Will this house be sold by you? Who will pay the bill? By whom will the bill be paid? You will not disturb me. I shall not be disturbed by you. When will you visit us? When shall we be visited by you? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे will दिया हुआ है, will be वर्ड ऐड हो जाता है जब आप पैसिव में चेंज करते हो। Now present progressive, she is waiting for us. We are being waited by her. जैसा कि आपको बताया गया है, आईएनजी फॉर्म जहाँ पे भी आएगी प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस होगा तो वहाँ पे बीइंग वर्ड और एज ऐड हो जाएगा। इज ही डूइंग हिज वर्क? इज हिज वर्क बीइंग डन बाय हिम? तो इंटैरोगेटिव अगर एक्टिव वॉइस है तो पैसिव भी इंटैरोगेटिव में ही होगा। हु इज नॉकिंग एट द डोर? बाय हुम इज द डोर बीइंग नॉक्ड एट? आर द चिल्ड्रन flying kites? Are the kites being flown by the children? Why is he not watering the plants? Why are plants not being watered by him? Next is past progressive. He was writing a letter. A letter was being written by him. What was she doing? What was being done by her? I was not doing my work. My work was not being done by me. Wasn't she singing a song? Wasn't a song being sung by her? Were the children playing hockey? Was hockey? Here you have changed were into was. Why? Because hockey is singular. That's why you have used here was. Was hockey being played by the children? Yes, now present perfect tense. Has he done his work? Has his work been done by him? She has read this book. She has read this book. This book has been read by her. been word add हो जाता है when you change active to passive. Who has stolen my watch? By whom has my watch been stolen? Have you not solved this sum? Has this sum not been solved by you? He has not helped me. I have not been helped by him. If we talk about past perfect tense, he or she had already cooked the food. The food had already been cooked by him. Had he not read this letter? Had this letter not been read by him? Whose team had won the match? By whose team had the match been won? Hadn't he done his homework? Had not his homework been done by him? She had received the parcel. The parcel had been received by her. Future perfect tense. He will have received the letter before you reach there. So here the object is the letter before you reach there. You will change this into subject. The letter will have been received by him before you reach there. She will not have washed the clothes by this time. The clothes will not have been washed by her by this time. Will the gardener have watered plants before 5 pm? Will the plants have been watered by the gardener before 5 pm? The peon will have locked the gate by 10 pm. The main gate will have been locked by the main peon by 10 pm. Yes, students, now imperative sentences. As you know that imperative sentences are those sentences which expresses command, order, request, suggestion. Okay. While changing imperative sentences into passive voice, we use verbs like advise, request, or order. Yes. Please post this letter. You are requested to post this letter. Second is shut the door. You are ordered to shut the door. Work hard. You are advised to work hard. Light the lamp. Let the lamp be lighted. या फिर आप इसको ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं यू आर ऑर्डर्ड टू लाइट द लैम्प. अगर आप लेट से बनाना चाहते हैं तो लेट से भी आप इसको बना सकते हैं. नेवर गिव अप होप. लेट होप नेवर बी गिवन अप. और आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं यू आर एडवाइज्ड नॉट टू गिव अप होप. नेवर टेल अ लाई. A lie should never be told, or you can say let a lie never be told. In both ways you can make passive voice. Yes, students. If we talk about interrogative sentences, this is the last type which we are discussing here in this video. Interrogative sentences we have already done in our previous examples. अलग अलग टेंसेज में जो है हमने इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस भी फ्रेम किए थे एक्टिव से पैसिव. स्टूडेंट्स ये जो एग्जांपल्स हैं ये आपके लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल प्रूव हो सकते हैं टू अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक ऑफ वॉइसेस इन अ बेटर वे. डू यू लव हिम? Here you have to identify the tense. This is simple present tense, so you will change this into passive. Is he loved by you? Did he break window? Was the window broken by him? Have you taught the boy? Has the boy been taught by you? What do you want? What is wanted by you? Why did she beat the servant? Why was the servant beaten by him? When did you write the letter? When was the letter written by you? Where will you spend your holidays? Where will your holidays be spent by you? How will you cross the river? How will the river be crossed by you? Have you helped him? Has he been helped by you? Will you teach me? Will I be taught by you? So, students, with the help of these sentences, we have done so many sentences. We have done the sentences in particular tense also, and the miscellaneous sentences also we have done. Students, these sentences will help you to understand this topic. If still you have any confusion, any problem, you can clear your doubts in your online session. Thank you.